specifically designed for transformer oil tanks. With perfect seams every time and effortless operation, it's the future of manufacturing. Imagine the ease of setup and the flawless execution with just a couple of clicks. This robot not only saves time but also ensures every weld is precise, giving you peace of mind and exceptional quality. Now, here's the kicker. For a limited time only, you can be part of this technological marvel. Grasp this exclusive offer before it's gone forever. Remember, this is your chance to elevate your production line. Don't miss out.